Hey guys, how's it going? So here is the Western Pacific M5 that I recently picked up. A lot of y'all are wondering. Now it is running R24, so the 2 and the 4 are reversed. This is going to be a video of it first blowing. I have not heard this horn yet, and the special thing about this is it's wire sealed, so it's never been opened. As you can see there, you got the Nathan logo on the seal. Now the couple of the other seals don't have that Nathan logo. They might have been broke before, but the wire is running through, so you know the wire could have just got broken off. I mean, the heads are paint sealed in, so I don't think they have been opened, and that's the case with all the other ones. As you can see, like the wire is there and it runs into the power chamber on all of them. But anyway, this is the Western Pacific M5. First time I'm blowing it. I hope it sounds good because I really don't want to break the wire seals.